This one. Wow, also pretty. Akong, Mao.
Nice.
See, today our crab is
Wow. So big.
Akong, Mao.
No, what's that? I cannot see. No.
Sweet dessert for my sweet husband.
So sweet.
Daddy, can you help me do my homework, please?
Stop! Everyone stop it!
Akong,
Daddy.
Mao.
Come, come. Try and show it to me if you can. Fine. I give up. What do you want to buy?
Mommy Mao used to see this only.
New shirt and pants for husband. New shirt and game for up boy. Lantern and flower to decor the house. What didn't you say?
Mao, everyone to have a good celebration. That's all.
Now, I fill up this prepared card. Use it to buy things on that list. But don't forget to buy something for you too.
Can I?
Yes. Of course you can. HariMAU also can.
This year of the tiger, may you have the prosperity to give your loved one what they Mao. Kong Si Fa Chai from Merchant Trade. Good job, boy. The plan worked.
Yes.